As you attach the AI pin to your wrist, an intuitive interface lights up, displaying personalized notifications and reminders. Its sleek form fits comfortably, almost as if it were a natural extension of yourself, ready to assist at a moment's notice. With a gentle tap, the AI pin begins to showcase its capabilities, highlighting nearby appointments and contextual reminders. As you move through your day, it seamlessly vibrates softly, nudging you about tasks while also suggesting efficient routes to your next destination, blending technology with daily life effortlessly. The AI pin effortlessly integrates with your other Apple devices, responding to voice commands with remarkable accuracy. As you speak, it interprets your requests with astonishing natural language comprehension, ensuring that all interactions feel fluid and intuitive. Whether you ask for the latest news, reminders about upcoming meetings, or even assistance with translating languages, the AI pin engages without hesitation, showcasing its impressive machine learning capabilities. It also learns from your habits, adapting its suggestions to align perfectly with your lifestyle, making it not just a tool, but a reliable partner throughout your day. The AI pin's capability extends to environmental awareness, using its advanced sensors to provide real-time information about your surroundings. For example, as you step into a bustling cafe, it intelligently identifies the noise levels and suggests an optimal spot for a quiet conversation. This feature enhances your experiences, ensuring that you're not just aware of your environment but also able to navigate it with purpose and ease. With each passing moment, the AI pin becomes more attuned to your preferences, working proactively to streamline your daily routines. It even syncs with your calendar, suggesting the best times to take breaks based on workload and stress levels, fostering a balanced lifestyle amidst the chaos. As you step outside, the AI pin's ultra-wideband technology activates, offering precise spatial awareness. It vibrates gently to indicate the best path through the crowd, guiding you effortlessly while keeping context in mind. Meanwhile, the Bluetooth connection with your iPhone allows the AI pin to pull up crucial information about your destination, such as traffic updates and accessibility options, all while reassuring you with its lightweight presence. You feel a sense of empowerment, knowing that every stride you take is supported by an attentive digital companion, making your journey smoother than ever before. The futuristic blend of technology and design elicits excitement for the possibilities ahead. As your day progresses, the AI pin continues to refine its understanding of your needs. It anticipates when you're due for a break, suggesting a nearby park for a brief escape from the bustling city. In conclusion, the AI pin symbolizes a remarkable leap into the future of personal technology, seamlessly merging design, intelligence, and functionality into a compact device that genuinely enhances the user experience. With its ability to adapt and learn, it not only simplifies daily life but redefines the essence of what a wearable assistant can be.